Gunnebo Industria AB is one of the world's leading manufacturers of complete lifting systems and products. Since the start-up in 1764, it has been fundamental for Gunnebo to develop products of the highest quality and in harmony with the surrounding environment. Gunnebo controls the process from forging to the finished product. A lot of effort is put into developing products that meet our customers' exacting demands and wishes. GrabiQ is a multifunctional system with 25% increased lifting capacity compared to regular grade 8. GrabiQ resolves almost all the different lifting situations that you can think of. We will present a number of different applications where we will focus on how to best and safely perform a lift in actual environments. When lifting bars of steel, it's important to add an extra loop of chain around the load to get a safe choke by increased friction. We recommend the use of a CL, since it reduces the number of components compared to a normal choker hook. A big advantage with the CL coupling is that the compact and solid design prevents deformation of the hook, and inserting the chain through its optimal opening ensures safe use. For all choked lifts, we recommend a 20% reduction of the working load limit. With the same sling as in the last scene, we would like to demonstrate how to lift by using the so-called home pocket loop. What we mean with home pocket is that the chain sling on the right side is attached in the shortening hook on the same side. In this example, we have made a home pocket loop on both sides. It is important that the loop does not exceed 30 degrees internal angle. The same application can also be made with an MG, a CG and a CGD. Make sure that the chain loops freely and the load is centered in the basket. For loads that bend, we recommend the use of a three-legged sling for safe handling. The three-legged sling consists, in this case, of a CGD, a CG and an MF GrabiQ master link. The third part can easily be adjusted in the home pocket to a suitable length. We advise all users of GrabiQ to pay extra attention to the lifting angles. The following demonstration shows the difference between 90 and 120 degrees. 90 degrees gives a load of 0.7 tons per leg, whilst 120 degrees gives a load of 1.0 tons per leg. That's an increase of almost 50% working load. We must warn users not to exceed 120 degrees, since that could cause serious consequences. The working load is stated on the lifting slings tag. Gunnebo's newly developed GrabiQ system is well suited because of its multifunctionality and its flexibility for different lifting situations in all kinds of different workplaces. We will now see a four-legged lift using Gunnebo's early invention, the BK safety hook. The advantage with the BK hook is that it automatically closes when loaded and cannot be opened again until the load is safely on the ground. The GrabiQ BK hook has 25% increased working load. Make sure that the hook fits and can freely move in the lifting point. Check that the load hangs correctly and is symmetrically divided so that rotation and tipping can be avoided. Make sure the crane hook seats in the apex of the master link, and if it does not, change to a bigger one, for example the MFX or MTX. They are specially designed and developed for this purpose. Here you can see a four-legged main sling that is common within the construction and harbour industry. You start from the main sling and use combinations from that one, as in this case with 3-ton polyester slings and RH hooks. We would like to point out that lifting from the upper container points is only allowed with an empty container. GrabiQ has a unique flexibility compared with the classic method, and it gives the user a comfortable and lighter application, instead of the heavy equipment in the classic range, which can't be adjusted to meet the actual need according to a specific lifting situation. With the GrabiQ FlexiLeg system, it is possible to configure the sling to what is required to give the best result in any lifting mission. A one-legged sling can be equipped with different types of master links, such as our MF master link, or our newly developed MFS master link, designed for a perfect fit to the mobile crane hook. Another interesting possibility with the FlexiLeg concept is that you always have the option to turn the sling if you require, for example, a swivel hook. Our swivel hook LKBK, which smoothly rotates during operation with a heavy load, can be without difficulty put into a CG. This can of course be done with all eye hooks and other accessories with an eye that Gunnebo lifting has in the GrabiQ range.